Hello everyone, myself Naseema Abdul. Today I am conducting the session on basically what are sensors and actuators. Sensors are those electronic components which can sense the environment around us and convert the environmental parameter into an electrical signal. These are the various types of symbols as shown in the pictures. Actuators are those components which give you mechanical output from an electrical signals. This is one of the example of actuators. One is biomotor and next one is DC motor. Next we will see the similarities between electronic sensors and human sensory organ. These are some sensors which work similarities as our sensors. As different parts of a body senses environmental parameters and convert into neural signal. Electrical signal also senses the environment and convert into an electrical signal. Next, we will see the comparison between the sensory organs of our body with the electronic sensors. You have seen in the picture there is a vision in which we can see things around us due to the reflection of light. Ultrasonic sensor is an example of vision sensor which can measure the distance of an object from itself. It will be installed or applicable in the place like example like lift. When we came to the lift, the sensor sees us and the door will automatically open. Next, we will see the hearing sensor. We can hear the sound around us with our ears. The example of hearing sensor is microphone sensors. Microphone sensor can sense the level of sound in atmosphere. The application of the sound sensor, we have seen that the lamp or a light operated by a clock is one of the example of microphone sensor. Next one is the sense of smell. Our nose help in detecting the various smell. MQ gas sensors. These sensors can sense the different gases present in atmosphere. Fire detection alarm, alcohol detector is one of the example of MQ gas sensor. Next one is human touch sensors. We can feel the touch of different things in our skin. Touch sensor is an example of human touch sensors. These sensors can sense the human touch. An example of touch sensor is the touch sensor which is used in our mobile. Now next one we will see the types of sensors. The sensors is categorized into two types, that is digital sensors and one is analog sensor. Digital sensors are the one which give the output as 0 to 1. Some of the example of digitals are IR sensors, PIR sensors. These are the example of digital sensors. Analog sensors are the one which will give the value or the output ranges from 0 to 1023. Some of the examples are light dependent resistor gas sensors are the example of analog sensors. Next one is similarities between actuators and human body part. You can also compare actuator with human body muscles, as our muscle exerted mechanical action to the environmental which then get converted into movement of our hand or leg. Actuator do the same thing. Muscles in our body. Muscles provide mechanical force due to the joints in our body and resulting in movement of our hand, leg or other body parts. Motors can provide mechanical force due to cause the movement of component attached with it. Sensors are both sensors and actuators. Both are the component which can be used as a microcontroller like Arduino. So for today's session, this is sufficient to the introductions of the sensors. In further classes, we will see basically how we use the sensors with controller or various types of controller. Thank you very much for today's session.